Blessed day, mga ka-AutoCAD. I'm here again. Mga guys, I am going to give you this revolve for our topic today. A revolve, we can create a solid object using our revolve. So when we have this revolve, we should make a line as our axis. So let's have 10 for the axis, length of 10 for the axis, and then I can create a polyline so that I will have easy editing when we do that. 20, and then I could use 10 only, and then I could use arc, and then L, and then we could have a length of 5, enter. So this will be my axis for using the revolve. We will execute now the revolve command using the 3D basic revolve. Enter, which is our object to revolve, and then the axis is from here, endpoint to endpoint. And then asking now the properties of revolve. If we want to rotate this or revolve the object, which is the polyline, to a 360 degrees or a 45 degrees. So let's have muna 360 degrees. If that is the default, and that will be now your drawing when we do in realistic. So let's have our object now using our 3D rotate. So let's have 3D rotate. So when we have our 3D rotate command, on top view, it's easily to rotate the drawing like this. So we could have on top view. But when we have on perspective view, we can now go to Workspaces 3D Modeling. Those are 3D modeling workspaces. Command. Again, workspaces, 3D modeling. And then we can see the 3D rotate. And then enter. And then we could see here, red is in X value. And then we could have this in Y value. 3D rotate is for a command using in 3D. So when we have the red, it is on the X-axis 5 volt. So when we have the green, that is in a Y-axis 5 volt. And then when we have on blue, that is on the Z-axis. So let's try our red axis. So to that point, base center, we could select, and then we can rotate now the object. So that we can use our, so let's try also from here, a revolve command. So that's